Hi guys, Kelly from Team Shults here. We are at the Education Partnership today with Josh, who is the Executive Director here at the partnership. And we are here in preparation for next week's backpack drive, which will take place on August 9th. We wanted to take a tour of the place and get to know a little bit about what you guys do here. So Josh, tell me a little bit about the Education Partnership and how you guys got started.
Sure. Well, thanks for coming by. We love having you. The Education Partnership, our mission is to provide school supplies for teachers and their students in under-resourced schools in southwestern PA.
Okay.
So what that means is that we look for schools where the student body is minimally 70% enrolled in the National School Lunch Program. That's how we determine the schools of most need. And then teachers from that school and students from that school can benefit from receiving school supplies for free from the Education Partnership.
Okay.
So we were started in 2009 by my predecessor Justin Brown, where he saw just an enormous need for students in the classroom, and he saw a solution by using corporate excess and community surplus and repurposing those materials by putting them in the classroom.
Okay, and how are the materials collected and then distributed to teachers and students?
So the things that come into the Education Partnership come from a number of different sources. One of our largest sources is our national partnership with the Kids in Need Foundation. We're part of an affiliation of 41 similar teacher-free stores from across the country. And the Kids in Need Foundation provides us with a lot of materials from national partners such as Staples, World Vision, Office Depot. So a lot of products come in that way, but then we also have a ton of community support and donation drives. So right now, back to school time, we're on everybody's mind, which is great. So we have a load of donation drives going on, just like your annual backpack drive, which is one of our largest drives of the year. It's a huge support to the organization.
Awesome. So how are the materials then distributed to the students and teachers?
We have 3 programs, but the bulk of the work, our main program, and I think what our teachers certainly think of, is our Teacher Resource Center downstairs, right below where we're sitting right now. And it's essentially a shopping facility for teachers in the program, with the key difference that we don't have a cash register. Everything is free. So teachers from our 139 partner schools, this year that's 4,500 teachers about, they can each come in once per semester, and they leave with about $500 worth of school supplies.
Wow, that's amazing. We're so happy to be a part, to be able to give back to this amazing organization. And we're actually going to get to take a tour through their warehouse and see what a teacher gets to do when they come check in here and can fill up a shopping cart with all of that good stuff. So, take a tour?
Absolutely, let's go. Thanks for coming to visit. It was great getting to show you a tour. I can't wait to see you all next Friday, August 9th at Shults in Wexford.